What up, guys? This is 402 Garage, one of our base of operations. This is where the magic happens. Do we got a treat for you? So, as you guys saw in the last video with terrible audio, I have my 64 Mercury. We're going to do an update on that with better audio so you can hear what's going on. But one of the things I mentioned is that I bought some skirts for it, some Fender skirts. And the reason I bought them now instead of later is because this car isn't really rare, but it's hard to come by because they weren't that popular. So I kind of jumped on it when I could. The guy said he's going to swap me sometime next month, so I figured if I wanted, I should probably get them now. And the color matching was kind of sweet. I haven't opened it yet. The tapes, all but two, is pretty secure, so it's my first time seeing them. We're hoping it's not like a skateboard in here or some kind of trash. You just filled it with some bones or something. That'd be terrible. So I'm using it. So we're gonna pop it open live. Hit up our Twitch stream. We also have we also sometimes stream on the hub. You know what I'm talking about. Mustangs Unlimited. Oh, serving the Mustang and Cougar enthusiast since 1976. This came from Indianapolis. Is where I got these from. Okay, so this guy did some. Oh, these are heavy.
Fish wrap.
Fish wrap. In the shipping business, we call these fish wraps because you wrap it like a fish at the market. Yeah. Okay, so. I'll use the scissors for what they're meant for. This video might be like half an hour long. You know what we're experiencing now? We're experiencing the back end of everything from the shop. Alright, you guys might want to tune out at this point and come back in like half an hour. Oh, whoa. Look at that. You see a little bit of right there? Look at that. Good old American steel.
Little nip slip.
Little nip slip. Ooh!
Those are in good shape, actually.
Yeah, actually not, I mean, there isn't. Wow. There isn't anything like.
They're like rolled, too.
I think it's factory.
That's just, I said it like looks like it's rolled.
You know, wow, there's actually like almost no rust in this thing. Holy crap.
Aren't they like new OEM, though?
Huh?
Aren't they like new OEM?
I have no clue. I guess they could be. There's that one. Does that look long to you? Does that look about right? Looks about right. A giant mess now. These are the trash.
I see how these mount.
That's freaking ingenious. I'll show that on this one. Oh, God. The stripping on this one is a little bad, but that's alright. Oh my God. Imagine the guys who got our parts that were like double this.
Doesn't this make you want to go get that motor?
Huh?
Doesn't this just make you want to go get that motor?
It makes me want to drive the car.
Sweat it out.
Bending the mechanism. There we go. We're good. Mercury 64, all models. Good thing that's in Sharpie. Got a little security tape on it. Anyway, what Preston in the back pointed out is that the way this hooks up is, I guess it just kind of clips on. So that's pretty neat. Great minds. Yes. Anyway, so these are my Fender skirts, and these will be going on probably sooner than later. Once we get everything put together, a little finishing touch, it'll be a lot of fun to get these installed and see what it looks like, and may even try to mock them up on the next video. So stay tuned. 402 Garage. That's about it.